Welcome, doctors. We know how challenging it can be to navigate the insurance processes in healthcare, especially when it comes to prior authorization. It often feels like an extra step in your already busy day, but today, we're going to dive into why prior authorization now. Prior authorization might seem like a time-consuming administrative hurdle, but it's much more than that. It plays a critical role in making sure that the treatments you're prescribing are covered by insurance before they happen. This not only helps you avoid claim denials down the line, but it also ensures that you're providing the right care to your patients in line with their insurance plans. Let's chat a bit about how prior authorization can benefit you as a healthcare provider. First off, it helps ensure that the treatment or service you're recommending is actually covered by the patient's insurance. Without that upfront confirmation, you risk facing claim denials, which can create a huge financial headache for your practice. And we all know how much those denials can slow things down. And speaking of slowing things down, let's not forget how prior authorization improves care coordination. By getting the approval before you move forward, everyone on your team knows that the treatment plan is covered. When everyone's aligned with what's covered, it's smoother sailing, and ultimately, that leads to better outcomes for your patients. But here's something you might not think about right away: prior authorization also helps to prevent fraud and reduce waste. Insurers use this process as a tool to make sure that treatments are medically necessary. Now, let's be real for a second: denied claims and delayed payments are no joke when it comes to the financial stability of your practice. Prior authorization ensures that the treatments you're providing are covered, and that can help you maintain a more consistent cash flow. No more waiting for approvals to trickle in or dealing with financial disruptions due to claim rejections. Insurance companies have strict guidelines when it comes to approving treatments. By going through the proper prior authorization process, you're making sure your practice stays compliant with their policies. You've got approval timelines that can stretch for days or even weeks, and let's face it, the approval statuses aren't always easy to track. On top of that, every insurer seems to have different requirements. It's a lot to manage, especially when you're already juggling so many other tasks. So, what can you do to make the process easier? Leveraging real-time eligibility verification can streamline the process and reduce delays. Using automated tools to verify which treatments need prior authorization ensures you're not wasting time submitting the wrong paperwork. And speaking of saving time, outsourcing prior authorization services can really lighten your load. By working with experts who specialize in navigating these processes, you can improve your approval rates and get those claims through faster. It's also about communication. Having a system in place where you can communicate easily with insurers can help speed up the approval process. Proactive follow-ups and clear communication can go a long way in ensuring that your authorizations get processed in a timely manner. And finally, having a standardized process within your practice for handling prior authorizations is a game changer. When everyone knows the steps to follow and has the right training, the process becomes much smoother. You'll see fewer errors and better approval rates. Before we wrap up, we can't ignore the huge role outsourcing prior authorization can play. If you haven't yet explored outsourcing, it might be time to look into it. With the right support, you can reduce the administrative burden, boost approval rates, and make sure your revenue cycle stays intact. Prior authorization may feel like an extra step, but it's one that can ultimately save you time, improve patient care, and keep your practice financially stable. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more insights on how healthcare outsourcing can improve your practice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
If you are looking for outsourcing services, schedule a demo today by visiting www.staffingly.com or emailing us at support@staffingly.com or call us on the number 1-800-489-5877.